So I'm really proud to say that I'm in a position wherein I can sell products up to 1 lakh. I'm Deepa Rani. I'm basically from Bangalore. I'm a mother of 2 kids. Now I can say I'm a full-time pledged entrepreneur with Shiko. I do have my own shop on Shiro's. First of all, my shop name is Deepa's Online Store for Fashion and Lifestyle. The main itself is about the fashion and lifestyle. But I do deal in with different kinds of products on different kind of categories like kitchenware products, skincare products, fashion, accessories, costumes, dresses, kids' toys, games. I was working for many IT companies as an IT analyst. After 4 years of my career, I was in a place I was just sitting idle. So I just decided and just set a mindset. Okay, having kids and being home alone is something I need to focus on and decide on which platform is really good for me, where I can see myself, where I can grow myself, where I can show my career. So I started my journey as an entrepreneur with Shiros. So I joined in the year 2015. So I can see a lot of growth is happening in my business as well as how to manage my life and my balance accordingly to it. Before the shop on Shiros, I was able to see the income on myself is like I was able to do some 5K to 10K, 15, 20K scale of that income. But when I started introducing my shop on Shiros and made that business very easier and I started to get more good quality products, now I can see there is a growth in income. Like I can see there is a scale of 70K and I was able to make in a month for 1 lakh sales also. I get trained directly from the brand also. They are the ones who help me to give training on each product, how the features, how it is working, what kind of products. So you're able to do this kind of business, but you're not able to know where to sell those products, which platform is good for you. So Shiros is brought up shop on Shiros, wherein a woman which is doing a particular business can showcase the products in that shop on Shiros. So she'll be in a position so that she can sell her own products in that shop on Shiros. Just one link, the customers are able to access my shop. They can see all the products available in my shop, which all I sell the products, what kind of categories I sell. So it's like kind of easy way for me to grow my business and sell my products to my customers and increase my sales as well as in my business. My next business goal, I would say now, I'm dealing as a partnership with many brands. I just wanted to see myself holding a name for my own brand. So I just want to see Deepa is owning this particular brand. She's the owner of this brand.